Hey guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Jamie, and for today's video, I'm gonna show you guys my top 5 favorite Pond's products. I've been a Pond's girl since I was a teenager, siguro mga 15 or 16 when I first started using their product. And the very first Pond's product that I ever bought was the facial cleanser. If I remember it correctly, it was the anti-acne or the acne fighting cleanser. And the reason I bought it was because one of my friends had some pimples that time too, and she said that that product really worked well for her. That particular product converted me into becoming a Pond's girl, and throughout the years, I've been trying their wide range of products. So you can just imagine that I've been through the acne line, the rosy white line, and now I'm also using the anti-aging series. There are 5 products that I would highly recommend, and I'm here to talk to you guys about them. So whatever your age might be, I hope that this video will help you in deciding what Pond's product to get. And without further ado, let's get started. So if you guys have been in my channel for a while, then you know that I did review a particular Pond's product a few months ago, and that is their BB and CC cream. The Pond's White Beauty BB and CC cream is perfect for my oily skin because it doesn't make it like 10 times oilier when I apply it. My main problem with BB and CC creams is that I have such a hard time finding the perfect one. I don't know. So far in all my BB and CC cream experience, they just either look way too white or lighter on my skin, or it just doesn't complement my skin type. But so far, this is what really works for me. I do have to pair it with a powder, so like a setting powder, so that it completely mattes down. Still, even though it's matte, it doesn't make my face overly dry or flat looking, so I really like this product. Not only that, I like the fact that Pond's products are super duper affordable and they're very accessible. You can find them at any Watson's, or basically a lot of department stores or drugstores already carry the Pond's range. One thing that I also appreciate about this particular product is it comes in darker shades, because that's the problem I have with a lot of BB creams. When they say that the shade is natural or beige, it is still too light on my skin tone. But in my opinion, this product is just perfect for my skin tone. I'm gonna show you guys a swatch of what it looks like. It does have a little bit of a fragrance, but I would like to think that it's still very light and non-irritating on sensitive skin. So if you guys are currently looking for a BB or CC cream, then I would highly recommend that you check out this drugstore product first before you try any high-end brands. Now, the next product that I really like is one of their newest products. You guys have probably heard of the Pond's Tone Up Milk products, right? The Pond's Tone Up Milk products basically make your skin a shade lighter and it makes it look smoother. So I did try the Tone Up Milk powder a few months ago, but sadly, even though I kind of had a good first impression with it, over time I didn't really like it so much, so I would not recommend that. However, for the Tone Up Milk cream, I absolutely love this. I've been constantly using this product, so I think that over time it has been showing like a minimum effect, so it effectively lightens my pimple scars but doesn't make it totally disappear. The reason why it can effectively lighten scars and kind of smooth out your skin tone is because of the ingredient niacinamide. If I close up to the sachet, you guys will see that niacinamide is actually the second ingredient in the list. And as you guys know, the concentration of the product actually depends on the order of it being listed. So the first ingredient is water and the second is niacinamide. I like how this makes my skin lighter because when I don't apply makeup, I notice that my skin tone tends to go darker. I don't know why, that's just the way it is. So I really appreciate how this product kind of smoothens out my skin tone and makes me look like I put the effort to put makeup or BB cream. It just makes me look a lot more fresh, I don't have any friend who's morena who has tried this product, so I don't really know what the result will be like. But I kind of have medium to fairish skin tone, so I'm in between. So it does make my face like a shade lighter, but it's not something that makeup can't fix. I just put a bronzer and contour my face and I'm good to go. I've yet to purchase the full-size version of this product, and that's because I still need to finish a few Pond's products that I have. Which leads me to the next product. If you guys are looking into the niacinamide ingredient, then another product that you might want to consider is their White Beauty Day Cream. I know that the idea of whitening is a little bit sensitive in our country right now, and using this product is not meant for me to encourage you that whitening is good. Whatever your skin tone might be, you know, you're beautiful, you do you. But like I said earlier, I'm more into the niacinamide ingredient because of the pesky pimple scars. I also like that it evens out my skin tone, and honestly, my personal preference is to have kind of a one shade or half step lighter when it comes to my skin tone. I firmly believe na kanya-kanya naman yan, and I've had darker skin tone before, and it's not natural for me. So this is what I'm happy with now, and this is what I use to maintain it. I noticed that over time, it does kind of give you a rosy white glow as the commercial would advertise, but I don't know if it's gonna be applicable to everyone, especially depending on your skin tone. The difference of the White Beauty Day Cream and the Tone Up Milk Cream is that the White Beauty has more of a powder-like matte effect. So when you immediately apply it on your face, it literally feels like it's drying down as powder. Whereas the Tone Up Milk Cream, how do I describe it? Para siyang, I don't know, like the name suggests, it does feel a lot more milky and hydrating on your skin. If you guys would ask me what I would choose between these two, I would just choose the milk cream. I really like the effect that it has on my skin, and I think it effectively smoothens out your skin tone a lot better than this one. Both are equally affordable anyway, and you know what? This is actually the smallest size available, but this has lasted me for about, I guess, 2 or 3 months already. To go with the White Beauty Day Cream, I also used the White Beauty Pore Conditioning Toner. So I used this first and then the day cream, and as you guys can see, I've already finished it up. I really like this because it's non-drying, but it does have quite a strong fragrance that might be a little bit irritating for some people. Sadly, if you're the type of person who's trying to stay away from ingredients like alcohol, then you'll be disappointed to know that this actually has alcohol. I know for some people their skin might be irritated by that product, so just be warned, do a patch test first before applying it on your entire face. Okay, so the last Pond's product that I would recommend is for my girls who are in their late 20s. So it's never too late to start with anti-aging. So I like to switch my products from the White Beauty because you guys know I am trying to lighten my pimple scars. That's really my goal with the Pond's products. But I have been loving their anti-aging day cream and night cream so much. So the good thing about this is I actually got these two products. So these are like baby versions of the products because they had a sale over at Watson's. You get these two travel size products for only 190 pesos, and I was so curious to try it. I didn't really want to commit yet to this product because I've never heard anybody using it, so I wanted to try it out for myself. Yes, there is actually a difference between the day cream and the night cream. The day cream is more lightweight and ideal for the daytime. It basically protects your skin from all the damaging factors that will affect your skin and make it age a lot faster. So you have UV rays, pollution, dust, chemicals, things like that. So after you protect your skin at night, you want to use the night cream because it's a lot thicker and it really moisturizes your face. These two travel size products have lasted me already for 1 month, and girl, hindi pa ako ubos. So just remember, it's never too early to start with anti-aging products, especially if you are already in your 20s. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. And if you have any questions about this video, then do let me know in the comment section down below. And as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!
Can you tell me why I'm down? Yeah. No friends of mine, no friends of mine.